First work. Broken down Russian godown is being removed. This huge piece of boulder is being placed against the wall so that we can make use of it. We're making this boundary wall because this road is going to collapse, it looks like. This is the amount of earth which has been cut. Now we have taken a 20-ton bulldozer. This is the size of boulders which we have to carry and put. A retaining wall is being made here. This pipe will have to be redone. This is now coming in the way. This is cable from the Rhine is here. I shall have to bury it at least 2 meters below our level. It was buried at least 2 to 3 meters below this level. This earth will be all cut. That's the amount of filling which I have. See, it was like this, so we have filled up here and then now we are cutting this extra. This cable is coming from our 156 kV turbine, and this is the pipeline. This I'll bury it below the ground, so that otherwise it's very expensive to relay this cable. These are the massive concrete boulders which are being. We made a new road because this pipe, underground pipe, has collapsed. So all the boulders have been put here. And we are going to make a retaining wall here so that this road does not collapse. We still have to cut and make it level to the ground. this cable is my worry. When this is coming from the turbine, it will have to go 2 to 3 meters below this level actually. So this is the amount which has been cut. Cable from turbine is gone under this. I have to cut this area by bulldozer. Then this culvert is giving problem. Pull it back, not to let it drop on the factory window. You have to go behind the factory and take out the rubbish, then cut this. That's the height from which we are cutting, and you have to come down to this level. Already finished. Putting this turbine cable, this will go inside the factory. So it has to be 2 meters deeper than the factory level. So this place, the dryer tunnel may come. So I have to bury it 2 meters below ground. It's going across the factory in any case. So I can't cut it, I can't do anything else. There's a big stone in the middle of this trench now, which has to be manually broken. Soil, dry soil. You have to go about 3 feet there. This is a hole which we have. There is some dry soil near the football field. That's what we have to dig up. Eventually I will have to fill it up. You have to dig a pit here because this soil is dry, otherwise everything else is very, very wet. It is mixed with a little bit of rock. Well, rock of this size one. The amount of filling which we have done. This place was full of oil and tea, so this has been dug out and will be filled up. See this deep hole here. We will have to fill it up now. That's the tea level, and this is how we have, so much we have cut. And now because the soil is good here, I'm taking it, and eventually I will have to fill this up. So this is the factory level. You can see from factory level I have gone so much down. Now this is looking level. Compactor working, one bulldozer, that's the second bulldozer, bringing in soil right here, filling it up. This is the lowest point, about 3 meters above the ball field. This is the difference in the building. If you take 90 degrees, then it comes here. If you take a measurement of 30 meters, then it's here. So there is a difference of good 7 inches. We shall have to manage it. I am keeping this 30 meters as my plumb line, and we'll make the building accordingly. There is a difference in this building. It's not 90 degrees. First foundation is being dug now. First foundation is being dug. This is the building for CTC dryer room and heater room. Foundation is being dug. Area has been cleared up. This is the wall we are making. A huge crater has formed, so there's a drain here. You see, this road has collapsed also. So I'll have to make the wall again here. Collapse. I'll have to protect this. This is the main road leading to the factory. Bringing leaf. This is the famous building they have added. They've been at it since December, so we must applaud the effort from here to here. 7 months, 6 months. Still to go. Water is how much land has been cut and moved here. coordinating. This is the massive work, wall work which I have to do due to landslide here. Building this big culvert. Very heavy stonework. Not avoidable. Can't be avoided. Inside the sorting room now, all this position there will be columns. So we have to remove all this equipment from here because this part of the ceiling will be broken. There will be a new column line on this high column. So this low column will have to go. And we have to remove all these equipment and break the wall. This pillar will have to be foundation breaking inside the sorting room now. One foundation is coming here. So this will have to be supported. The other one is coming here. So when we cut it, we will have to support this roof. Otherwise the roof will fall down. Because we are digging in the middle of the room. As you can see here, this place is for digging the foundation in the middle of the room. This is already in the middle of our sorting room. Then this pillar will go. Already they have dug the foundation outside. So there will be a column here, new column. So this will have to go. Pillar is falling here. You can see the red line. So this dryer will be taken out. The cyclone is coming in the way, so this dryer will have to be shut down. One foundation is here, near the fermenting machine. This we will be able to manage. But there will be one more opposite this. And the other wall, which the wall will have to go there. Foundation has been dug like this. Leaving the floor intact. And the same is here. So we have left the floor as it is. And the foundation has been done under it. Now we'll cast the foundation and then fill it up. Finished. For one foundation we'll go inside, half inside workshop, half inside CDC home. Well, in spite of everything, digging the cable so deep, cable has come in the foundation, we'll reinforce it and then we'll go inside. This has happened in 2 pits. They're taking half inside and half outside the building. Very heavy rain last night, and it's been raining last couple of days. Result is that this road is completely gone. Even this is not able to work. Compactor, we are trying to compact this road so that it's can be used for carrying leaf, but due to very wet conditions. Due to very heavy overnight rain, all equipment is now being used for this place. The dozer is working to repair the main road. Compactor is working to compact this road where the pipe had collapsed, and making it as smooth as possible. And the loader is bringing in soil. Finishing this road, Mr. Mastri is taking measurement for making the final payment. I think this road work is done. You need to engage this bulldozer and the compactor together to finish this road now. A leak has sprung from the pipe which was coming from the turbine. We'll have to redo the pipe now. That's okay, the road is done. Absolutely new road has been built now. You can see from here. New stones, new housing. After that rain, big rain on Friday and Thursday. Big slush and mud, now it's okay.
This hole has been filled. Big hole. This is the final filling of the land going on now. Final shifting of the land. You can see here we have filled up the football field. Almost coming to an end. Foundation for building D is being laid ready.
The type of well which is what happens when it is finished. And then on top of this, now the tender wire that topsoil which will be spread over. Concrete is barely getting ready. Well, this side is more or less now ready, except that we have to put a filling here, but main land is ready now. This is where we have taken out the maximum soil, now it's filled back. Almost 4 meters we have gone down here. Fill back again. This will be leveled off. This is half filled, and we can fill it up again. Shall we fill it up? This is our existing factory. foundation is being dug now. This is the place where the new kilburn dryers are going to go in. All this concrete foundation, including this fan, will be last to be taken out, because we are using this fan now. This is the tunnel for the kilburn. 1, 2, 3 tunnels for the kilburn. This is the old foundation, old dryer. And this is the way we are manufacturing now. The conveyor is running like this, covered with all these things. TV is manufactured like this, all the partitions. This is the view of our sorting room. Column number 17 to go in here. All this will go out. Our column is here. And here is, this roof will all go. This roof will go. The new room. This will be new. And here is where we are digging the foundation for new rollers. Work is already progressing. One foundation already done. This is where the new rollers will go in. This is one foundation already done. This is the man who is working on our CPC foundation. Yeah. This is the CPC. The new line will come in here like this. Go up to there. This is the new cookie has arrived. We're taking it out here. And this fermenting machine will move. This is the line in which the new dryer fermenting will sit. New lot of concrete has arrived. And this is the base course ramming is going on. The small roller. This preparation for installation of rollers. That's the view of our new building. The outline. This is the first day when they are starting to do the foundation. This is the first bit of floor which has already been cast. And here is the outline of the machines which are going to be. So this area will be left out. And the rest will be concreted already before the structure goes in. First day of flooding. General activity. One for installation of CTC dryers and CTC heaters. Oh, the new drain is in place. Work on the heater foundation is going on. Turn on for heaters.
Action ra. Một.
Pouring down. We are making up for the lost time. We are doing this ahead of installing the. So you can see that we have marked the tunnel, we have marked all the machines, the balance areas, the floor. So we staked out the machines and the balance area has been, floor for the balance area has been made. So now we will dig out the foundation and the machines can be put. All the underground tunnels and ducts have also been mounted. Water is buried like this now. Loading of food. Fans are installed. Four-wheel drive. A very little activity now. Waiting for the roof. This is the McLean Mega Dryer. We have 4.5 ton piece has arrived. So it's being pulled by chain and pulley, and we have no place to store, so we're storing it here now. Here's a general view of what's going on. Tunnels. This is the man who spoiled the foundation. We're going to do it again. I'm afraid about these people. So this is hanging. And this is halfway into it. That's how manufacturing is going on. This line, as you can see, is working. And it will continue to work like this. All the structure and everything half hanging position. This is the old dryer, now repositioned. The dryer is like this, the whole dryer. Now it has moved here. The pit for our 3 vibro. This is first vibro. This is the second vibro. So I will have to cut this point. And the third vibro is from outside. Still will go where this dryer is still in use. That's the position of the dryer now. This is the new dryer being old dryer being repositioned. This is the tunnel for the new SBD. This is the foundation for the new heater room for our wedding trophy. It's being added to the game. This is the rehabilitation job we are doing. This is the new this plunging stuff. This is the state of our existing roof. The whole fencing being re-erected. This is how the whole factory was. building a new one. So here we are. This is the side of this plant change. We start to open the roof here. Expecting tomorrow to start. Expecting Monday. Structure. Setting up by CMI of the tower in the factory. We already set up in Ranchavali 1. This is the new road which has been constructed. Very nice, really. Very looks. Only looks nice. It's doing a good job too. It is something which is very nice. Good lining of stones. This is the first column, new column which has been erected today. More columns are lying here. Plans for building B. Silver and dry. This half of the dryer is already in position. The other half is going in. Just the ducting. Second half of the dryer going in. Second half of this dryer is here. And this CTC, the restoration. The fermenting machine. New dryer is standing there. It's line 3. Will be here, will be the green leaves, etc. This is the last big post being put up. Last of the big posts being put up here. Very happy man. Loading of the new last bit of dryers. See, now sitting on the tractor on the lorry, and we have to pull it like this. It is moving this heavy stuff with the help of our tractor. This is the condition. This is mainly thanks to inefficiency of Gunung Garuda. I've been a let down actually. The work is good, but very lackadaisical approach towards the client's need. So now all buildings here material has come. We made good progress. Its erection. So is building. So is the main sorting room building also coming up. Wall is being constructed. Everything is covered in plastic still. Some parts of dryer are lying here. But I think we have caught up a lot. Stuff is lying here. The last bit of, I don't know where this will shift from here. Wall is made, building B is made. That's generally the groove we are having. It's still going on. We made up a lot. You can now see work is going on. Yes, some focus of the building. This is all the structure. We made new wall and fencing. These are the construction workers. This is the construction of our tower going on. I'll just take a few view of factory. Building the this worker. This worker. Yeah. This is our man trying to shift one beam. The earlier beam they fell down 50 times. It's a very difficult exercise of putting such a huge block on top of this dryer. This was actually the most time-consuming job. See the Sarivangi dryer. There is less of dryer and more of concrete. And look, I think amongst all the jobs which I have undertaken, this was. Look at these big stones which have been pulled out. Massive. It's like nuclear plant, not a dryer. Sunday, 1st of December today. Nice and bright and clear day. In 2 days' time, we will be having holiday and sun has come out. One dryer has been almost installed. Beautiful view of Cibuni. And this is my house, partly hidden in the view. And there I live. Our staff members. supervising the sheeting. And the first sheets are going up. Well, this is the first lot of sheeting now going on. BM production. There is a new line, and one line has been recommissioned just to cut the key now. Fermenting machine here, the conveyor and into the dryer. Complete view of 3 lines, 4 lines. This is the view of the orthodox rolling room. There is no machine here now. Soon they will be installed. Yes, yes, stay. Don't worry. These are being broken up now. It's wall dividing the rolling room and the new door is being put here. Manufacture is now going on like this, with plastic sheets covering the breakage. So see here we have already broken the wall. You can see this big gap. This is just to fulfill the BM contract. All these machines are beautifully well. That's how we are manufacturing with a plastic sheet to cover it. Cannot stop this section. Braking going on and the new level is here. Oh, everything is being broken. The whole heater room is broken. This gave me the maximum problem. You can see we had to redo these chimneys like this. Chimneys were sticking out of the roof, so we couldn't put a new roof on top of it. We have to make joints like this, The water leaked one day from here onto the panel board, and there was a big short circuit. Very lucky nobody was killed. The fire left out by 10 feet. This is the panel board which caught fire. It's still in open condition, leaving very dangerously. And by the side of it is another room where the Java tunnel fluff is stored. That's all getting wet, but now it's under control. This was the most difficult operation. This one also had to be bent. Installation of conventional dryers is going on. This is William George Bobbin. One dryer has already been installed. Second one is under installation. These are the lines here. pipes are all fitted. A lot of pipe work is to be done. Cleaning work is going on. These are all still temporary pipes. This is all the key equipment lying still here to be installed. This is a new sorting room. So the pins are going up. Top stage. Still material is lying. And that's our old sorting room being broken down. That's the last of our old sorting room. That's how it is. This portion is already broken. Standing here is broken. That's how we are manufacturing orthodox right now. The heater and the fan, these two dryers. This is the outside of new rolling room, the fermenting room, the heater room, and the dryer room and the heater room. That's the new factory. There's a gang which is breaking this heater room. Here's a new roof. See the bungalows also from here. Jumbo truck. Now we are able to see the fuckers. Plucking away tea. Distant mountains. Conveyor which will go. Here is gentleman unloading tea. Tea unloading is going on. He'll be putting a new conveyor here. That's the oil complex. New heater room foundation. View from the second floor. The old and the new. This is the old one existing, and there is the new one. It's the new one joined together. There's the second floor. Still being fitted. Ground floor is ready with top. And this is from the top. That's the view on the second floor. This is the jumbo truck, single truck, we'll convert it to jumbo.
Sanjay, this is a top secret matter here. It's not allowed for you to take any movies or pictures by penalty.
Thank you. इधर का टूटी ना इससे सही आता है
Breaking of rolling
room, yeah.
wall.
Whatever you are saying, this is the breaking of rolling room, old rolling room wall. Yeah. There's the fitting of the gate, breaking of the rubbish. This is the situation of the rolling room. Okay. The braking has started. Manufacture is over and the braking has started. That's how we are working. That's how we are running our rolling now. All this is getting that's how the situation is right now. Today is 21st. By 28th, I have to break everything. That's the position inside the rolling room. And still we are manufacturing. This is our part of the rolling room and we are still manufacturing. This is the new roller and that's the old roller. This is this situation now almost 4 weeks. This trailer is lying like this. In fact, you can see that it has even punctured. Now I can't remove any rubbish from anywhere in the factory. 4 weeks like this, just because one clutch plate is broken. This is the new door has been fitted. And that's how we are manufacturing now. All the braking has been going on. Braking has been done within yesterday and today. We are installing the roller, but the manufacture carries on. This is the situation in this sort. I had made this line absolutely perfect, or whatever it was worth it. Now we are cutting the bohia in it. dust flies all over the place. This wall separating the rolling room has been and the CPC room has been broken down. You can see this rubbish piled up here while the manufacture is going on. In the background. Yeah. Yeah, action. These are the people who are carrying the rubbish. The manufacture is going on. The whole thing is broken down. All of the situation is all open condition. Bricks are piled up here. Commissioning of dryer line 2 was decommissioned today. Machine is now running. While the manufacturing is going on. Work is going on this. Finishing touches on this wall. New wall. Just because one chain has dropped. There's no mechanic for hours together. Morning they go, everything stands still.
recording this as I was sitting in the office. A huge lightning struck on this tree. This is barely 20 yards away from where I was sitting. Shattered the tree. Look at this. This is only 20-30 yards away from where I am sitting. We are very lucky that it hasn't struck the office itself. I am surprised why it has taken this tree. Why it did not take this pole just next door. This transmission tower, and look at that tree which is gone. The distance between this tree and this pole is only 15 meters. The smoke was coming out from this tree when the situation is starting to move right now. Old Java tunnel. This is a room broken down. This is a great Indian hotel. It's been 7 days the people are trying to break this foundation. This is the debris lying. See, this is our old transformer room. This is the old fermenting room broken down. And now you can see this is where the current rollers are installed. And this is today, this is 27th of March. I have to give this factory in 30 to 40 days time. Difficult task, but we'll do it. Main thing is that these things have to go for repairs. And there is no quotation even as yet. People are not even quoting for them. Now we are concentrating on the orthodox side. All these machineries are getting lined up. This is the general view. Bins have to be shifted. The Java tunnel is being placed. Dryers are being installed. One more dryer will come there. And this is the general view after all the trekking is taking place. Some of the machines are already arrived. Some are in. This is the debris and the loading room. Removed. This is the old fermenting room. Now broken down. trenches are ready. This side is being placed. And this is broken down now. The whole orthodox heater room. The dryers. That's the pipe. This is the view from the heater room, dryer room, orthodox dryer room. These are the new trenches. This is the wall which is being broken. It's called a bombed out place. This is the heater side. The new blower is being put in position. The Colombo triple pass heater is a huge heater. Comes in, this is one shell, this is the second shell, and this is the third shell. You can see how many parts are lying around here. This will be all, this is being repositioned and taken to CTC room, and one of it will go to the orthodox dryer room. You can see this heater is still working for our withering crop. This one has been moved out. This is being moved out to the Colombo type heater. And this will also go to the withering. This is a view of parts of the CCC heater. It's broken down. It's broken, you can see here. The cone has broken into 3-4 parts. I'm not replacing it. This is another cone, and these are the shells. You can see this comes in many parts. Broken castings, broken into 4 pieces. It was broken before, so not much new. When it was opened, there was a lot of welding for there. This is all broken into so many pieces, but it will work. The system. Still flooring. I've started the flooring now. More or less the machines are ready. These underground pits are ready now. Today this feeder is being dismantled. This last feeder, fermenting room construction, the walls, the heating and fermenting room are started. There's still a lot of rubber type. The rolling table is being grouted. That's being grouted. This side has more or less come into shape. The last heater being dismantled now. Over there. The rubbish has to remove in the next 10 days. This dryer has to go. It has just been sold to Sharma. This is the transformer room. This will be hopefully broken next week. That's the last bit of breaking I have to do. After that, the major breaking and removing work is over. Heater is moved out today. This is the last hole in the roof of building D. This has given me so much trouble. See, there were 5 dryers here and there were 5 big holes. Now all are filled up except this last one. This will go next week or so. Simply, this is not so important. It's not giving me so much trouble. You find that Hiraman and William both are working hard on their dryers. The dryers have been installed. Now I have to only clean up the place. But look at this. Manufacturing this dryer, this heater is still working. So much of construction is going on. We are still taking fitting the radio today. So this is the first day of manufacture now. New rollers are in operation today. So that's the first time the double action roller is moving. Operator, the double action roller. Because the weather is less, so if juice is dropping, there's no problem. You see the result today. That will be the general view side of the rolling mill. drive, the dryer.
This is the modification which we had to carry out. This is the view of the underground conveyor. First tea is fired, yeah. This is the dryer. The construction of air washer room is going on. This is the photograph. This is presently the installation of two rolling rotary ball breakers. This is the view of the Gabla fermentation. All tiles from inside, outside, everywhere. This unit is with tile right up to the inside. Where the problem has come, there's this two holes have been made. This is the view of the finished. This is the inside view. Tiles are being fitted. We have to leave this portion because this transformer room still not broken, it will be broken soon. Installation of cold Sharma dryers. These three dryers are ready. This man has worked very hard, Dada. He is a good worker. The team is good. Fermenting room now. This is the view of our sorting room. Finished. Almost. The installation of machines is finished. Conveyors are left to be done. This is the view of our sorting room. Finished. Almost. The installation of machines is finished. Conveyors are left to be done. This is the view of the underground tunnel. Conveyors are refitted. This is the breaker.
how it is. In orthodox sorting, the system to be followed is like this. This is the dryer output. The dryer outputs through a conveyor will come into this bin. From this bin, it will either go on this bin or this one. If it comes this side, it goes to this bin here. Then by conveyor, it comes to this middle ton. The smaller particles are taken out and go into this tunnel, and then they go into this bogies. Only when the conveyors are running, one can get a full idea of what the layout will be. That's the Toklai breaker, position of a bogie. Now here the system is that these are the storing bins, holding bins. From here it comes under the bin there is a hopper. It comes from this hopper into the middle ton. Middle ton discharge here is taken up by the conveyor to vibro. And from vibro it goes to R0. R0 for final sorting to Chota. Collected in this underground conveyor. This one goes to the breaker there and goes for recycle. Now from one end of sorting bin to the other end. This is the color sort of one which is doing this. System starts from here, that's the holding bin. Holding bin discharges into the middle ton to vibro, vibro to R0, R0 to Chota. That's how it is. R0 is one bin. This is the process we have started for removing the transformer. This panel has now been shifted, and inside the room a lot of digging of cables is going on. Cables are being pulled out. Cable junction we have got. Now, all this cable will be pulled out and put above the ground in a proper panel. Look at how the cable has been put, and we have covered it with paper. Very difficult task. You have to look at the number of cables there. Transformer has already been shifted. Now I'm just breaking. construction of conveyor, large scale. I think this is Mr. Mighty from Benar System. Doing this one. Oh, old transformer. Transformers are already out. Making this to complete the fermenting room. Marker for the height of the conveyor. Okay, this is the conveyor being installed. The drive system for conveyor installed. First floor. These are all the conveyor things lying down here. Getting installed. Well, this is the manufacture is going on. General view of the factory. This is the conveyor being shifted. Once this is finished, I'll break the front one. Side of rolling table. Breaking of office, factory office has started. Okay, break it and that's more or less the major part is over this one. Factory office. They are factory workers. This is the construction of road. office, which is now being broken. View of the old office. The interior of the preventing room. The hangers are just going to this. This is now where a chain has been drawn up. Chain has been put. All the hangers are ready. The front deep conveyor is gone. The shed is still there. The things which have been out. We're still using the elevator. Very soon this will go. This getting hole will be closed in 2-3 days time. As the canopy is broken, it's been loaded in this super lorry and going to all materials gone to division. This will be broken by tomorrow. Elevator is being also opened up now. Conveyor is already done. Recording of breaking of the main leaf elevator roof. You can see men are working on it. Including the floor is being broken. This is the situation after taking out the front conveyor and elevator. This is the last this ladder has to go. The wind up. Sorting room as we stand today. Machines are installed, conveyorization is still pending. ಎದುರಿಗೆ corner area. Four tractor. One area. This is the drive system. This is the erection engineer. It's fitting the second track. This is the track for the second floor, being installed, strengthened. Okay. The drive unit is sitting that side. Drive unit is sitting right at the end. Long conveyor. Regarding the damage they have done to the hangars yesterday. Yesterday. All of them. These hangars are running 1 month. Yesterday, the first day, one day we have gone to Jakarta and this is black, very black. This is the most dangerous work this man is doing. You can see all the cables were put here on the ground. Can you imagine it? Now I have shifted all of them properly. There's still more work to be done, but I will eventually do it. Right now this is a very big job done. This is how our old cables were connected. It's on the ground through this. Let's look at this. Look, it is dangerous. Like this was all over the place. The finished factory almost. We have the 6 patrol rollers. Center is taken away. We go here. That's the fermenting area. by Sanjay. Ahmed? Ahmed? Good boy. Repairing his valve. Solid? Yeah. Okay. Now we're putting the legs of the underground conveyor. 3 legs are there. This is an 18-meter long conveyor which takes the output from all 4 dryers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This takes output of all 4 dryers and sends it directly to the drying room through these 2 conveyors. Big conveyor is being placed now.
process is. This process. So the dryer comes over this conveyor, goes over, comes on this conveyor, goes into the bin, comes here, drops into the middle tank. Beef is getting fermented here. This is the Indonesian style manufacture. Rotor vein, lower RRB, second RRB. Comes into this bottle. Sorry. Goes into the roller. Loaded onto this conveyor. Comes to this rotor vein. Goes over this computer. Goes into the RRB. Comes here. Goes into this. I say right hand. What? I'm just following this. Goes into this rotor vein. Comes out from this rotor vein. Oh. So stand here.
I'm here doing nothing at once. Wow, I'll check the lead.
Yeah. Really?
Like real, you know?
Okay.
I'm professional.
This is the rolling table in which it is rolled. This is going into the rotor vein. This is the external rotor vein now. Going out a rotor vein like this. Going to the first cut. Second cut. Followed by the third cut. They go into the bogies. The fermenting will dry. Hold on. I can catch the dryer from here itself. This is the fermenting. And into the kilburn dryer. weather has become better. This is a fermenting machine.
Also, here you try to keep 100% humidity.
Yes. This is the scanner scanning the temperature of bed leaf bed. This is the correct fermentation. Goes into the dryer. This is the kilburn dryer. The 3 lines of kilburn dryer. Goes into the dryer here. That's the dryer. The sorting room is here. Everything is drying.
Close this door, I think it's break this What did they say? You said the same thing, right?
No, I just say that we understand the question that one has to be bought by this night, and that the decision taken by this night. I don't agree on that one.
We will convey it to meeting office. What more we can do? From here we cannot give decision.
Ada satu sekarang dilakukan oleh pemerintah. Mana bisa diputuskan? Dihalangi Pak Nih? Mau bantuan Pak?
Kalau nunggu dari Jepang itu nggak percaya bahwa kita pemerintah ini gimana kalau masalah? Ini saja ini itulah keputusan finalnya katanya. Gimana mau itulah keputusan daripada kita.
Thank you better for the very performance too.
Yeah. This recording.
Orang-orang yang kita masuk Pak. Cek. Cek dulu Pak.
Yeah. I saw somebody giving it to somebody outside and now it's gone. This is the general condition of the room. Take.
Barang-barang.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. This one is okay. No problem. Yeah. This is the position of the
Chris, saya pegang.
washing machine.
Saya bantu itu pegang.
Yeah, but I'm looking for my bag.
Baik.
Okay, maybe after some time. Find the bag. And this is the position of your car. Yeah, I'll take from. Well, this is the aftermath of every door and window has been broken. House has been totally ransacked. This is the state of the mattress. Total destruction. Yeah, from outside is better to take picture from outside. Oh, this from car?
Huh?
It's from car.
This is.
Yes. From car.
Yes.
It's finished. Okay then. Okay. Everything has been smashed inside. washing machine inside. Now we have to convert it. This is the foundation for new godown. Let's see. New temporary post has been created. That's how it is. That's how the material is lying here. From Baroda. You can see this building is just the same height. New building. That's how it is inside the building. Look at all the rubbish which is inside. That's how it is from inside. Have to come out. Okay. The beginning of new engine room workshop. That's how it will go. These are the new pillars. It has become now the breaking, all the offices, etc. You can see this is where the wall is, the new wall, and the columns are already being, here you can see, we installed the column, the whole wall is standing, everything is standing. That's how the material is now littered on the floor. This is a general view of the engine room. The column is being lifted. This one already up. This one is already up. This one is already up. This is the rubbish which we have taken out from our inside this. This is the state of this godown, the engine room, and that's the new column being put up. In the evening we'll get light this side. That's how it has become, and that's why it's not too much cheap. This is the inside of our carpenter shop, and that's the part of the rubbish go down. You can see the foundation has gone right inside here. There's a transformer room. One foundation is there and one is inside. That's the line of foundation as we have gone. It is a very clear day today. And that's the jet going, yeah? Yeah, you can catch this. You know, if my hand is steady, I can actually see the plane. It's such a clear day today. I lose this aircraft. There it is. Sendang barang की हमारी जर्नी चालू हुई है वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. Sendang barang is Jayanti, I'm sorry. We're going on the way to Jayanti. We're in a caravan now. Small picnic. Car wagon. Car. More. One cargo. One truck. Now, Jayanti Beach. As can be seen, today we have come for a picnic here. What a beautiful beach it is here. And here is our picnic people. You will see them sitting inside. Soon I will go there. That's the beach. Beautiful. For everybody I'll take.
Gabi do mangarep. Di menukung anak Oh, datang lengkap. Ayo, Pak. Pak, umpan Pak, udang.
Huh? Yeah. That's very nice. Okay? ये क्या है, सूरज के अपोजिट में नहीं आती पिक्चर ठीक से. Jayanti Beach. Where is mommy? Look this side. Yeah. इधर 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 असल में सूरज इधर से पड़ रहा है ना, इधर से देखना पड़ेगा। इधर देखो, वो जो भी आएगा ना इस तरफ से बढ़िया आएगा। Lovely water, green. Like a lagoon it is. Oh, Rama is standing. Yeah, good. Wait, wait. Yeah, already start, yeah. Okay. This is Mr. Sharma in Jayanti Beach and his wife.
Actually, we can move like this.
Okay, you can go walking.
Yeah, I want to go.
Yeah, this is the seaside. A lot of rock.
Come, I will show you this boat. First take the boat. Leave the ground and getting to the boat. I cannot walk with you there. Yeah. Boat is banking. Okay?
Oh, okay, enough?
Yeah, enough.
Okay. That's very nice. Okay. Yeah. You can get from all direction, yeah? Yeah, look this side. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Yeah, it's Look up. I don't know whose girl is this. Hey, yes, come on. Yeah. Very nice.
I said I'll leave it once. I'll stand up. Yeah, stop.
That's the view of the ocean.
Very clean place.
Yeah.
यहाँ तो ये है कि खाना भी यहीं रख दो लाके।
और क्या?
इसका हमारे पानी यहाँ तक आता है।
और क्या, ये हाई टाइड में आता है?
हाई टाइड में यहाँ तक पानी आता है।
ये भी गीला ही तो है ये।
सारा गीला है।
ये कैसी वेव्स हैं ये?
हैं?
कितनी दूर तक वेव्स जा रही हैं?
तो जहाँ तक चला जाए।
समुद्र कहाँ तक फैला हुआ है?
इसको तो ये लोग बहुत सुंदर डेवलप कर सकते हैं। उन लोगों की विचारों की इनकम हो जाती है।
because the sheets have not come, I have to be doing it like this now. Trying to do it, and you see we have covered it on top. Not a very good situation. All open from here. See, the sorting room door is, I can see it's open. Guys are telling everybody that doing all this. The engine room position. As you can see, portion is now broken. Oh, rubbish. Bits of it lying here. Maybe this portion of behind the engine room. Broken. We have a woman from sorting room coming. These are the CTC machines and the billing machine line from here. This is the position of the engine room. It is working like this. Opens, open. You can see the engine is running. We are working. Problem. Now this part of the sorting room is open and the rafter is being put. And it's raining. Yeah. A lot going on too. This portion is open. This is the engine room.
get solved. Soaking material and the wall is being constructed. This is the engine room. This is now the empty go down, roof is being taken out. It's a two-step. If someone would like to see what the birds were doing inside, that's why this place used to stink with the false ceiling over it.
I would now like to record how we are manufacturing tea. Here the tea is being manufactured, and you can see this is the open roof in which a column has been put. This column is still being put. You can see the rubbish is falling from the top. They will take out this portion of the ceiling will be removed, like this has been done here. To put the column, they have to make a hole in the ceiling. So if the rain comes, the whole place will be flooded. There's the same position here. Same position here, same position here. These columns are just inside of present sorting room. This is my sorting room girl. Good. That's the position of the engine room. I'm recording it why it has gone so high, because if I did not, here it touches the apex of the old roof. So to clear this and make sure that engine is still running while we are working on the roof, I had to make it so high. Otherwise this could have been made much lower. That's your electric go down. A lot of electric stuff is there. That's the old store, oil store. Everything had to be built under it. So, let us see the condition under which they are working. See, when we start the sorting room, so much of dust comes out. These guys can't work, and they have to open this part of the roof to put the column, because and then the whole sheet is opened, and if it rains, the whole water will go inside the sorting room. That's why I wanted to stop the sorting CTC for couple of weeks so that we can do this work in peace. That's just not been possible, so we're working like this.
Jalan terus.
Tuan Direktur Estate Departemen, beserta seluruh Dewan Direksi, General Manager, para staf dari Head Office Medan, Bapak-bapak para Estate Manager dan Manajer PO Mill. Selamat datang, selamat pagi kami ucapkan di